guys, welcome back to another YouTube video, and today I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube intro in 12 minutes. So I went ahead and added in my background because I wanted it to have a textured paper look, and then I'm going to add my torn paper to the top and bottom borders, and there I am sizing it to fit. I went ahead and duplicated it, and then I'm going to flip it vertically and size it to fit the bottom. Okay, and that's it. So now I am going to go to elements, and I'm going to search for Polaroid frames. I went ahead and I looked through the Polaroids, and I decided to went with the top one because I like that one more than the rest of them, and I sized it to fit. I rotated it a little. I don't remember how many degrees it was rotated to. I went ahead, duplicated, and I did the same thing for the one on the left, and I rotated it to negative 14 degrees. And now I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to search for graffiti. And I was going through it earlier and I saw some cool designs, so now I'm going to see which one best fits my intro here. And then I scrolled down to see this cute little face here with the XI and the tongue sticked out. Size it to fit, and I moved it to the left. And now I'm going to go to my apps, and I'm going to search for Text Studios. You guys are going to see a numerous amount of fonts. You guys can always go with the one that best matches your designs and which one you think is more you. And I went ahead and I tried out some of the fonts. I did not like those. I didn't thought they were me, so I went with silver. And now I'm going to type the name of my channel, which is Acts by Liv. And now I'm going to add it to the design and size it to fit. Okay, there's that. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to go back to elements, and I'm going to go through my recent use, and I am going to select the paint splash. You can search for it in graffitis, and I selected the layers and send it to the back, duplicated it, and I did this 3 times, by the way. I duplicated it 3 times just for clarification. Okay, and then I went to positions, and then I went to layers, and then I send all 3 to the back. Yes. Okay, now I'm going to search for subscribe in elements, and I went ahead and search for the one that I like the best off camera. You guys can always do that to see which one best fits your design or which one you like the most. I went ahead and selected that one, removed the background, and there I am looking at it without the background, and now I sized to fit And now I'm going to move it to the bottom left because that's where I wanted it. Okay, and now I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to add some of my flyers to the Polaroid frames. I did went ahead and add another Polaroid off camera because I thought the right corner was missing something. And now I'm going to search for AI generated photo that I created some time back of me, and I'm going to add it to my design because I thought that it was the best thing to do. Okay, and now I'm going to go to elements, and I'm going to search for YouTube intro music. And guys, I did went ahead and go through all the previous musics before I could find the one that I truly wanted. So you guys can go ahead and do that. Find the one that you think best suits your intro or best suits your personality again. Okay, and now I'm going to go to elements again, and I'm going to search for Instagram logo because I wanted to add my Instagram account that I recently created to my intro. So if you guys are interested, you can go ahead and give me a follow. Went to graphics, and I selected the first one. That's the one I always go with. And now I'm going to size it to fit, and I pulled it to the bottom left of the corner. And now I'm went to text, and now I'm going to add my Instagram name, which is apps period by live. Okay, and now I'm just sizing it to fit. And there I sized to fit, and I'm going to match up the logo along with the text. And now I'm going to go to elements again. I'm going to remove that, and then I'm going to scroll down and look for square. I am going to choose the one with the rounded corners, so when I size it to fit my desired look, it will look like a mini text box, but it won't have any harsh edges. It will look rounded. You'll see in just a sec. Okay, and I size that to fit. Now I'm going to look for the color. I did went ahead and played around and decided to went with white because I like that one more than the other colors that I was seeing. Sizing it up, and I grouped it. Now I'm going to go to animate, and I selected the typewriter, slow down the speed. I selected the typewriter because I like that one more. That's the one I always go with. And now I'm going to select the text box, and I'm going to just see which animation I like the best. You can always hover over the animations instead of selecting them to see how it would look on your design. And I did went ahead and selected tumble because I like that one. I reduced the intensity, and that's it. And now I'm going to animate the entire page. Okay, I'm selecting the page now. Went back to animate it again, and I hovered over all the animations in each section to see which one I liked best. But in the end, I did went ahead and go with one of the ones that Canva suggested to me, because I really liked that one. And please be sure to leave a comment and let me know which acts you'd like to learn, or what you'd like me to cover in my other videos. And be sure to leave a comment and a like, and also subscribe if you've learned something new. Okay, and this is me just moving the subscribe icon and putting it underneath my Instagram handle, because I think it looked more uniformed and polished like that. I then went ahead and reduced it in intensity. And now I'm going to play the video to see if everything is coming together. And I did went ahead and made some adjustments of a camera, and then I'm going to adjust the name of my channel a little bit more to the center, and then I went ahead and select preview, and this is all it looks. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Besito.